You breeze in the morning. Every step is so golden. Oh yeah, breathing you slowly. I never thought you would open up for me.
Hello guys! We're in Paris! Grabe, this is a dream of mine to come here. And finally, nandito na tayo. Since nung bata pa ako, lagi ako may notebook ng Eiffel Tower, or ball pens, or keychains, and everything. Kaya, I'm very happy to be here. And as you saw sa last clip, galing ako dun sa apartment ni Belly, if nanonood kayo ng The Summer Turned Pretty. So, pinuntahan ko siya kasi malapit lang siya kung saan kami dinrop ng tour bus namin. And free time kasi namin right now until 2 p.m. So, ayito kami sa area na to. Ang ganda na Paris. Hindi na ako uwi.
Avevo un piccola porta. Avevo un piccola porta solo.
Good morning guys. So ngayon, nandito ulit kami sa Eiffel Tower kasi pupunta kami sa second floor, I think. So, yeah. Oh my god, I love it. Hello guys, so right now nandito kami sa may riverside kasi sasakay kami ng boat for an hour lang siya. Let's go!
Dangerous.
Hello everyone! So right now, nandito kami sa The Louvre. The Louvre? I don't know how do you pronounce it, pero gano'n. Nag-CR lang yung parents ko, but yeah, mag-ikot kami here. Yeah. Good morning everyone! Today is our last full day in Paris. Nandito kami ulit sa Gallery of Lafayette. Nasa rooftop kami. And grabe. Kitang-kita mo lahat. You can see everything. Hello guys, ito try ko yung famous vintage photo booth. So, hindi mo kita! Girl, hindi ko kita.
Ano ba yun? Ang dami ng issue sa Pilipinas. Pati ba naman yan? Oo, pwede mo siyang nalagay. Minsan nga dito lang sa bulsa nilalagay. Kung gusto mo, nan-shallot ka lang mag-video. Hindi ko naisip na nahihiya ka pa rin. Introverted sa mo. Promise. Like, pasok ako sa event, tapos nakagayan na ako, tapos titingin ako sa paligid ko. Tapos titignan ko kung may kakilala ko wala. Pag wala akong kakilala, naka-cellphone ako. Tapos pag may dadaan sa akin, ngingiti ako. Para mo, kausapin nila ako. Hindi ko kaya.
Hi guys, so today we're leaving Paris. Actually, nag-wait na lang kami for our airport transfer. So, yeah, it's sad na it's coming to an end. Pero, excited na rin ako umuwi. So, I miss home. But I'm gonna miss Europe as well. And hopefully makabalik kami next time. Ayun. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it, guys. But I had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog as well. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit di ako masyado nakakapagsalita. Because gusto ko rin i-appreciate kung ano yung nakikita ko and ano meron dito. So, ayun. See you guys at the airport. Hello guys, so I'm now back in the Philippines and I'm gonna show you what I got sa Europe. And medyo, di naman ganun kadami yung binili ko, like for me. So, yun, pakita ko na lang sa inyo. So first thing, I bought a lot of postcards. Kasi I like collecting them. Ayan, the Paris. I bought a lot. Ta-da! Then, pati sa Barcelona and Madrid. I bought some. I also got some keychains para sa pasalubong ko for my friends. Madami siya. Ayan, meron pa dito sa likod. Like, madami siya. I got this little keychain. It's a croissant. And I also got this magnet from Barcelona. Ang ganda kasi ng design. Parang siyang tiles. Gets you ba? Parang siyang tiles. And I also got this Paris mirror. And I also got a stuffed toy. May Paris na nakalagay. It's so cute. And of course, hindi mawawala ang clothes. So I bought few pieces from Zara. I got itong top, pants. And I got this jacket. And I like it so much. And then, sa airport, I got this Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet roller. And then, lastly, I got a bag from Pauline. Super happy na I got a bag from them. Hindi na namin inuwi yung box kasi hassle siya. Tada! I got the mini lang kasi feel ko hindi sa akin bagay pag over na sa laki. Yun siya. Yeah, that's it for my haul. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, I'm super grateful na
nakapunta ako sa Europe, especially sa Paris, kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-dream city ko na gusto ko puntahan since I was little. I'm very, very happy. So, yeah. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
어릴 때 원했던 어른이 됐나 Thought I found oh she's mine 놓칠까 달려